Welcome to this technical guide on the LG Ultrawide Monitor. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your LG Ultrawide monitor is not responding at all, it can be incredibly frustrating. This issue often occurs due to a malfunctioning power supply, a faulty connection, or even a problem with the monitor's internal components. If left unaddressed, it could lead to further damage, making repairs more complicated and costly. To tackle this issue, you will need a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, an anti-static wrist strap, and a replacement power supply if necessary. First, ensure the monitor is unplugged to prevent any electrical hazards. Carefully place the monitor face down on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws from the back panel. Make sure to keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back cover using your flathead screwdriver. Be cautious and avoid applying too much force, as this could damage the casing. Inside, locate the power supply unit, which is often situated near the bottom of the monitor. Inspect the connections to ensure they are secure. If you notice any burnt components or loose connections, it's time to replace the power supply. To do this, carefully disconnect the cables attached to the power supply, noting their positions for reassembly later. Remove any screws securing the power supply in place, and gently lift it out. Take your new power supply and fit it into the same space. Secure it with screws and reconnect the cables as they were previously. Remember to handle the internal components with care to avoid damaging anything nearby. Once everything is secured, replace the back cover and screw it back into place. Before powering on your monitor, double-check that all screws are tightened and nothing is left loose. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. To prevent this issue from recurring, ensure that your monitor is kept in a well-ventilated area to avoid overheating, and regularly check the cables for any signs of wear and tear. Additionally, avoid moving the monitor while it is on, as this can cause disruptions in the internal components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.